Okay, so next is kind of a job interview situation, and where I'll ask a question to you and you have to answer. So if I ask you, if you work for a company, how will you contribute? You can think about the answer. It's in a form, you have to give it in the form of a conditional. You can think about that too first. But first think about how will you contribute to your company or the company that you want to join, and then you can put it into the grammatical form.
If I will work for your company, I will contribute in the ESMP component, that is Environmental Social Management Plan, and I will contribute reforms regarding the ESMP, because this is the current burning issue, and in which we can we will deal with the environmental hazards, in the form of the healthcare waste that is affecting our environment currently. So I will definitely work in this regard.
Okay, very good. Your answer was very good and built well. Just a little correction. Everything is okay. As you know that we have to correct our pronunciations, and so that's why I'm interrupting here. You're saying regard, like you kind of make a o sound, right? You don't have to make a o sound. You can say regarding गा. आपने इसको थोड़ा सा मोटा कर दिया, इसकी वजह से pronunciation slightly गलत हो जाती है. So can you repeat after me? Regarding.
Regarding.
Good. Now that's okay. Good. Your answer was very good. Okay. Let me see if she joined or not. No, she didn't. Okay. So now the situation is a doctor-patient situation, and here I have a question. So if you don't take your medicine, what will happen?
If I will not take my medicine, I will get illness.
But you don't use the will in the if clause. You use it in the main clause, right? So you're using here, you use will in both the clauses. So you have to say that again, corrected.
If I will don't use the medicine, madam, what you are saying? Sorry, I couldn't understand your point.
एक मैं ये कह रही हूँ ना कि देखें, विल जो है हमारे मेन क्लॉज में आता है, ठीक है. जैसे मैंने क्वेश्चन में भी आपको दिख रहा है मेन क्लॉज में, आप आंसर करोगे तो ऑब्वियसली मेन क्लॉज में भी होगा. बट जो इफ क्लॉज है वहाँ पे विल नहीं लगाना. एक आप ऐसे कह सकते हो कि इफ आई डोंट टेक माई मेडिसिन, तो आप विल के बगैर अपना इफ क्लॉज तो बना सकते हो ना. सो आपने विल, आपने मेन क्लॉज इफ क्लॉज में भी आपने अभी विल लगा दिया, जिसको मैं कह रही हूँ रिमूव करें.
Okay. If I will take my medicine,
if I don't,
get illness.
will को हटाए ना. if I will take my medicine, नहीं, don't take.
Okay. If I don't take my medicine, I will get illness.
Yes. Yeah.
And more health issues.
Yeah, and I will get more health issues. Very good. Okay. Now, okay, so that was done. A good recap. Doing your progressing well in your conditional sentences. It's a good thing. Okay, so now you can use them in speeches too, and obviously we'll take in more activities where you can use them in speeches. Now let's talk about the intonation. Yesterday we talked about intonation pattern, the rise and fall, and did a little bit of exercises, and I shared some videos with you, so hopefully you got the importance of intonation, like for example in sorry, how it can even change the meaning, and regarding the intonation, how you can express your emotions, and you can do that by stressing on different words in the same sentence, right? For example, if you want to if you are saying something in a sad tone and you want to express your emotion of sadness, then there is something like you can stress on this word. So we will and if you want to express anger, like aside from sadness. You want to express frustration and anger, then how you can express that to the same sentence. If you want to say the same sentence with excitement and a bit of happiness, how you can do that. So that's what we're going to talk here. So here on the screen we have a sentence, I can't believe it, right? So let's just say in a neutral tone, normal, and you can carefully listen. So here you go. I can't believe it. That's normal. I can't believe it, right? Can you say that in a normal way, just a neutral tone?
I can't believe it.
Yeah, that's completely normal, right? Now, if we try to say the same thing with a surprise, right? So remember, wherever I have made the, color red, it means we're going to apply more stress on that part. So now I'm surprised and I say, I can't believe it, right? So believe it does also look that it has stress, but the more stress is applied on I can't. So look again. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. So the main thing is that when you're going to practice today, I'm going to give you this same sentence and you're going to practice and send me the recording, how you're going to say that in sad, how you're going to say that in surprise mood. And you can put this ahead of you, and then you can record while you can see which part you should stress. You can practice this. So did you get me, or should I say again the surprise?
No, ma'am, I understood your point.
Can you try?
Yes, ma'am. I can't believe it.
Yes, a bit more emotion, like I can't believe it.
I can't believe it.
Yeah, or sometimes we say, oh, I can't believe it. So I can't, that's more emotion. We see a rise and then a small fall. That's why I said rise and fall, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, what about if you're sad and you're gonna say it like this, I can't believe it. Like you put more stress on I and then you kind of go fall on the other words, like I can't believe it. Can you say that? Put stress on I and then the other one's normal?
Yes, ma'am. I can't believe it.
Yeah, but you put more. Just put an I.
Can. Okay. I can't believe it.
Yeah, like that's. Let's try again. Wait. Let me say it properly. I can't believe it. I को मैंने थोड़ा खींचा है. I can't believe it.
I can't believe it.
Yeah, that's how what I did, that I looked up at some other native speakers and I analyzed how when they're sad, how do they say this sentence, how when they're happy they say this sentence, and I also analyzed my speak pattern, my emotions, how do they come out when I say this sentence. What I found common is that they put more stress in I, they elongated it, making their shoulders like this. I can't believe it. So it was I को उन्होंने elongate किया. Did you get my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What about if you're angry, annoyed, and frustrated? And this would be like this. I can't believe it. Right? You're going to put more stress in believe. So it's a fall to rise. Like, I can't believe it. Can you say that?
Yes, ma'am. I can't believe it.
Yeah. So थोड़ा जब आप गुस्से में होगे obviously, so that would sound more real. But the thing is that you put more force on believe. Like, I can't believe it. So that's how you're going to say that in anger. Okay. So you got that right.